Hey, 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 hey. I have no idea where I was going with that. Pardon my coughing and my throat clearing, my throat clearing. Hey, what is up? It's the morning. Clearly my brain is not working and I can't speak either. Okay, hi. We're here to do another cash stuffing, and this actually is the first cash stuffing of 2024, baby. Wowza. I can't even believe it. Woo! Let's get this show on the road. I have some stuff to do here, so let's go. Let's talk about rollover first. Actually, no, before that, we got one piece of business to take care of, and that is to stuff my coins. So I finally got my coins cashed in, and they've been here for a while, but I wanted to just do it on camera, and it really wasn't enough to make a whole video, so I figured I would just do it in the first cash stuffing. So my coins came out to $63.79. And you guys, to be honest, I thought it was going to be more than that, but whatever. 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, and then the change, of course, is just, you know, still in there, which that will just now go to carry over for this year. So we're going to put 63 bucks into debt, which is wonderful. And I know that I did say I was going to just make the payment once I cash this in, but I really don't feel like going to the bank and depositing only $63. So I'm just going to put it here in the sinking fund and then wait till it builds up a little bit and then make another debt payment. So either way, it's still going to debt. It's just not going to go to it right now. All right, so that is done. And now let's take care of our rollover. I want to get some sort quick on. You guys, we did a thing the day before yesterday, and we're going to do the same thing again today. We went to look at a house. What? I know, it was kind of out of the blue, like completely out of the blue, basically. If you've been following me for a while, there's a hair. You know that I really want to buy a house. That is one of my goals. And this house came on the market in our neighborhood a couple streets over, and we really wanted to look at it, and so we did. I love the outside, but the inside, it just needed too much work. So it's a no for us on that one, but we're actually going to see another house today, which is super exciting. I don't know if we will end up buying a house right now or not. There's really not much on the market. It's, you know, not the best time to buy a house, but we will just see. So there's that piece of news. All right, let's see what we have for rollover. Now, I feel like I barely spent anything, but let's see. Let's let the rollover tell us if that's actually the case. Whoa, I'm dropping change everywhere. So how's it going for everyone? Are you starting to get in your new year groove now? Let me know. So this is what we have for change. And how many of you out there, when you write the date, you're still writing 2023? I so far have not tripped up, which is amazing. All right, so let's see what we got here. So in fun, we have $20, $40, $60, $75, $76, $7, $8, $9, $79. And once again, you guys, I did not spend this disgusting dollar. What? You know, I'm leaving this in my wallet. I'm just leaving it in my wallet, and yeah, that I want to spend this. So 78, we'll say. Kids has $5. My daughter had yet another ear infection, so we had another doctor's visit. She's still on her antibiotic, so that's been fun. Dining, let's see. Dining, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 83. How is it 83 when I only put 80 in dining? I must have put $3 change in there from something else, but you guys, I didn't spend any money in dining. See, I told you, I didn't think I spent a lot. And then miscellaneous still has the full 40. What? But wait, there's more. I also have this money, which this money, my mom gave me $50 for Christmas as one of my gifts. And I actually took it to the casino with me on New Year's, but I didn't end up spending a lot because my husband bankrolled most of that. So from the 50, I have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 left. So that's going to go in here as well. So it looks like we probably have a nice little stack for savings challenges, which is good because the money is tight this month. This month and next month, it's going to be tight because our electric bill, I just paid it, was $333 or something. Next month, I'm budgeting $400. I guarantee it's going to be $400 or more. So, because of that, obviously, I have less money for challenges. So altogether, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 92, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 227. Wowza, I like it. All right, so I put that to the side. That is going for challenges. And then today we are working with 320. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40. Sorry about that. 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 320. So $320. And I want to show you guys this. So I made this quick little calendar tracker. And if you watched one of my like 2023 wrap-up videos, I did say I'm terrible with tracking, but I just wanted to make this for myself to keep track of when I work out, okay? Not how much weight I'm losing or anything like that. Working out is a healthy habit. I want to keep it up as much as possible, and I want to try to track it. So yeah, I made this, and I think I'm actually going to put this on the Etsy shop in case anyone wants to like do it with me. It doesn't have to be for working out. It could be for anything. It's actually blank. This is how they look. It's 3 pages. This top one I just decorated with all kinds of stickers that I had. So if you are interested in this, I'm going to put it up on the Etsy shop. Now, it is only Monday through Friday. I typically do not work out on the weekends. And so I decided just to do Monday through Friday, which I still think 5 days a week is excellent for any type of habit. But you can track like a no spend on here. You can track, fitness, of course, healthy eating, whatever, anything, really, any kind of habit that you want to track. Water intake, if you get all your water for that day, you check it off or whatever. So if you're interested in this, I'm going to pop it up in the Etsy shop. But yeah, so I need to actually check off yesterday because I did work out. I just have these stickers from, a sticker book. And so, yeah, so far I have every single day except New Year's Day, which I don't technically count because that was a holiday. So I'm doing good so far, you guys, and I'm doing good on tracking. So we will see how long I keep that up. All right, let's get the binder out here, or the planner, I should say. And let's stuff the envelopes. And, if you've been here, they're always the same. Fun gets 140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, and 40. 140 for fun. Kids gets 20. Dining gets 80. 20, 40, 60, 80. And miscellaneous gets 40, 20 and 40. Okay, so that is that, and hopefully I will now spend that $1. All right, and we're only doing 2 sinking funds this whole month because, again, the money was tight. So let's see. We're doing vacay and birthday. So here's vacay. You guys, I need to hustle because this money is due March 8th and we owe $3,700 and I only have $994 so far. I don't know if I'm going to be able to save that much just before March. So I have to hustle. So what I was thinking was my 2024 and 2024, I might need to use some of that to go towards vacation, unfortunately, even though I wanted to put that towards debt. Or I was also thinking if I have money left over from my tattoo savings, you know, I may use some of that. So we will see. This is vacation, not, okay, never mind, disregard. So in vacay, we're adding 45, and I'm just now realizing I forgot to get the prop money, so hold please. Okay, so we're adding 45, and how is it January 11th already? That is insane. But yeah, I really need to hustle on this, and then birthdays as well, because as I said, my daughter's birthday is in February, which I'm not so much concerned about that. We will just have a couple people over at the house for cake, basically, and some food. But, you know, that still will add up. It's my son. My son's birthday is in March, and so I need to figure out, are we going to do a party? He kind of wants to go back to the indoor water park, so instead of a party, we might just take him there. I don't know. We'll have to see, but either way, it's going to be several $100s, so I need to get saving. I really need to remember to like start saving for that stuff the last half of the year instead of waiting till the beginning. But I feel like I'm always so focused on Christmas and I sort of like forget that the birthdays are around the corner. So I don't know. I might need to like make a little note for myself this year. Save for birthdays. We'll see. Okay. So now in vacation we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 1,000, 10, 20, 5, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 1,039. Yes. Okay. And like I said, we need about 3,700, so we got to get going. I do have a savings challenge for it, but there's like barely any money in there. So, yeah. All right, and then last but not least is just birthdays. Like I said, those are my 2 priorities right now. I was thinking I need a sinking fund for moving, like for moving expenses, because I want movers. The last move we had was stressful, hard, and whatever, and I said to myself, next time I will shell out however much it costs for movers. And yeah, now that like we're looking at houses again, we have no idea if we're going to buy a house at all right now, but I'm thinking I need to save up for movers because, you know, that it would be nice to have that money saved. And I was going to make like another sinking fund or whatever, but I'm like, oh, I already have too many. So I just don't know. All that to say, I just don't know. Okay, so birthdays is getting $40. And that is this last 40. So now in birthdays, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 55, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 275. Nice. So that is, like I said, a good start, but we're going to need quite a bit. Okay, I think that's it, you guys. You know, still pretty short. We got some stuff done. We got our debt sinking fund stuffed. I updated you on the latest, I think. So I think all that's left to do is to say bye and then immediately hit the record button again and stuff some savings challenges. All right, thank you so much for being here. It's January, it's a new year. Let's kick butt, baby. In my next video, I'm going to show you all of my new savings challenges for 2024. I'll see you there.